Today on the Z125, we find ourselves trying to look at a really old service station on a very busy intersection. This isn't too far from Williamson, Georgia, but yeah, I just drove past it. It was on the left, and I'm looking for a place to turn around. I actually did a little sidewalk surfing on this one. But it's a really old, interesting place. I'm going to have to go back because some redneck threatened to call the cops on me. But anyway, we'll visit it sometime down the road. Where I went wrong on this Explorer is I spent too much time trying to figure out how I was going to get back there without being too noticeable, which made me very noticeable. So yeah, being on the sidewalk probably didn't help. This part of Georgia, they're very law-abiding people, and this probably looked really out of place. There's an old abandoned house right there in front of me too, which is pretty cool. But yeah, my mistake was just messing around trying to figure out. I should have just parked right there by those trees. Nobody could have saw me there, and snuck back there and checked it out. So the dumb redneck in the red truck there, he whistled at me a couple times, did some kind of strange hand gesture, and I can't make it out on the camera, but in real life, I thought I heard, "I'm gonna call the cops on you," and then he drove off. So I start my Explorer thinking about that. Look at the potted plants in the wall there. That's cool as heck. But I started my Explorer, and then I thought, maybe I should get the heck out of here, because either he's going to come back and start some trouble, or he will call the cops on me, and I had been messing around on the sidewalk a little too long. So I decided to get on out of here and head home. So here we are back at home base, safe and sound. Gonna load up and head home. Anyway, check out this beautiful sunset. camera doesn't do it justice, but it's really nice.